Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am excited to show you how to download the VLC player on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. This method will work with any device running an Android operating system, and it will utilize a browser. Any browser on an Android operating system is going to work well. In my case, I'm using the Google browser. So click on it to get in, and you need to search in the application you are trying to download. In today's tutorial, we'll be downloading the VLC application. So just search for VLC and hit the search button. When you hit the search button, you see the VLC application from various sites. I want you to focus on play.google.com and click on this link. If this is your first time, Google will ask you to log into your Google account before you could begin a download. Log in, and immediately you do, you see this install button. Click on the install button and be patient for a couple of seconds for your download to begin. When your download starts, give it some time for the download bar to progress, and when it is done, you have this application installed directly onto your Android TV. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs it, and I'll be with you in the next video.